Hello, welcome our Get Lock channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best toilet seat that are best sold and reloaded in the last couple on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1, Kohler 4636 RL7 Cachet READYLATCH Quiet Close Elongated Toilet Seat. If you are looking to add some color to your bathroom, look at this Kohler toilet seat. Other than black, it is available in multiple colors like cashmere, almond, gray, etc., and adds a hint of elegance to the bathroom. If you are one of those people who want to add a splash of color to the bathroom, these toilet seats are perfect. The Kohler 4636-7 is a black toilet seat with a glossy finish that will elevate the look of your bathroom. While this one is the elongated toilet seat, it is also available for round bowls. We were particularly impressed with the quick-release hinges. These allow the seat to be removed quickly and conveniently. However, that does not mean it sits loosely on the toilet. The seat has grip-tight bumpers that firmly hold it in place. Both these features ensure that the seat stays put and only comes off when released using the hinges. Additionally, the seat has a quiet close feature and won't come crashing down. This reduces noise as well as damage to the seat. Plus, all the hinges and hardware are in the same color as the seat, offering a seamless look. This elongated manual non-electric bidet has a single wand that provides soothing ambient water cleansing and adjustable spray positions and pressure using the side handle. The self-cleaning wand ensures the seat maintains high cleanliness standards by automatically rinsing after each use. Additionally, the manual handle must have no batteries or electrical power. This bidet also has a quiet close lid that ensures no slamming noise when closing. Installation is made easy with quick-release hinges that allow the seat unlatched from the toilet without needing any tools. Number 2, Mayfair 13EC047 Toilet Seat, 1-pack round, black. The look and feel of your toilet has been made easier thanks to the Mayfair 13EC toilet seat. Although this one is in black, it also comes in many other colors. Mayfair has been a leading name for many years, which shows in the high-quality seat it offers. Comfort is a priority for many when it comes to toilet seats, and for a good reason. No one wants to be sitting on an uncomfortable seat for even a minute, and toilet trips can be longer than that. This is why the Mayfair toilet seat is so popular. It has a wooden core for stability and a cushioned seat for comfort. The cushion is soft and well padded. Plus, the seat is a bit on the heavier side, so you know it will stay in place. It is also pretty straightforward to install and has a twist cap hinge that easily removes the seat. Even cleaning it is effortless as you only need warm water and a cloth. As we mentioned, it is available in multiple colors, but that's not all. These colors are vibrant and don't fade easily, so you can maintain the look of your bathroom for a long time. The Mayfair enameled wood toilet seat looks stunning, but should be cleaned using only mild soap and water. Like most enameled wooden toilet seats, this pick uses a fastening system that resists movement and twisting at the hinges. The bolts are wrapped in a hard plastic that prevents slipping into the porcelain holes. Additionally, the bolts are designed to prevent additional torque from the wrench after the nuts have reached optimal tightness. Twisting at the hinges. The bolts are wrapped in a hard plastic that prevents slipping into the porcelain holes. Additionally, the bolts are designed to prevent additional torque from the wrench after the nuts have reached optimal tightness. Number 3, HealthSmart Raised Toilet Seat Riser that fits most. The HealthSmart Raised Toilet Seat Riser is another option worth consideration if you are looking for a simple-to-install riser. This one installs even easier than the Drive riser, perhaps to a fault. The HealthSmart simply sits on top of the bowl with the seat lifted up. It has some slip-resistant pads on the bottom to hold it in place. While it seems to work, I preferred the peace of mind that came with the locking mechanism the Drive riser used to secure itself to the bowl. Like the Drive riser, the way this riser installs prevents you from closing the lid while flushing or when not in use. However, the minimalistic design of this riser does make it the most portable option of the ones I evaluated if you need to travel with a riser for any reason. The seat will automatically raise to help bring the user to a standing position. The same self-powered mechanism helps lower them into a seating position. The safety features make this commode chair suitable for elderly, disabled, mobility-challenged, visually impaired, and cognitively impaired users alike. The padded seat provides comfort and warmth to users. Plus, the foam padding is easy to clean, especially because it doesn't absorb water. It's less slippery than other commodes on the market, increasing safety. The armrests are padded. Number 4, Drive Medical RTL 12027 RA2 in 1 Raised Toilet Seat. If you are looking for a riser that is an easier and quicker install than the previous options, the Drive Medical RTL 12027RA may be for you. This riser installs in mere seconds. Simply lift the seat up, place the riser on the bowl, and tighten the dial on the front until it's secure on the bowl. If you have mobility concerns and are looking for a riser you can install hassle-free on your own, you will likely appreciate the simplicity. Additionally, this style of riser may be a good option if you have others in the home who would like to be able to remove the riser to use the toilet. The ease of installation does come at a cost. Namely, a lack of integration with the lid and seat. You will sit directly on this riser and will have no cover when not in use. I personally prefer being able to close the toilet when not in use or while flushing, so this limitation was a big negative for me. Similar to the Carex with arms, this riser also has removable arms if you need additional support when sitting down or standing up. As mentioned above, while conceptually the arms seemed like a great feature, they caused me discomfort due to the specific circumstances after my surgery. The adjustable arms offer excellent flexibility, and they can be easily removed depending on individual needs. Also, this toilet seat is easy to install to the point where you can install it onto almost any toilet without the need for any tools. A non-abrasive detergent or household cleaner with warm water can be used to keep it clean and hygienic at all times. With a weight limit of 300 pounds, this raised toilet seat with handles is suitable for most people. This raised toilet seat is an ideal product for elderly assistants and handicapped users. Number 5. Carex 3.5-inch raised toilet seat with arms for round toilets. As I planned this review ahead of my surgery, I expected this Carex riser with arms to be the top contender. The Carex 3.5-inch raised toilet seat with arms is identical to the previously mentioned Carex toilet seat riser, with the addition of arms. I expected the arms to be a helpful addition to the riser, especially in the first few days after hip replacement surgery. What I did not anticipate was the level of swelling in my leg and the inability to bend my knee more than about 15 degrees for the first week. This caused me to need to rest my leg out to the side when sitting down in the bathroom. Unfortunately, this was all but impossible with the arms in the way. While many would probably consider the arms a helpful feature, they were a hindrance to me. The arms are removable but, once removed, the riser is effectively the previous Carex model for nearly double the price. It fits securely onto most standard round toilets without requiring you to use any major installation tools. Plus, it offers safety and convenience thanks to the heavy-duty, lightweight, and easy-to-clean molded plastic construction. It supports up to 250 pounds, while the removable foam padded support rails provide a comfortable, non-slip surface. Like, comment and share. Please subscribe my channel. Check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.